What's up guys, it's iCube here, and today I have a slightly different video. Well, it's not really that different, I'm just telling you something. Do you remember that Cube unboxing video I uploaded the day before yesterday? Well, I opened this. This was my Lim Cube 2x2x2 Pyramix, and I called it a Pyramorphix, but I don't actually know what I think it's called, like a transform Pyramix, because a normal Pyramorphix doesn't have these. So tell me if this isn't a way to solve it. So basically what I do is I get the green face to line up with that green, and the yellow to line up with the yellow, with both yellows, so those two are both yellows. Then I kind of spin it until those yellows line up. Which is actually pretty hard. It's actually pretty hard to solve it. But I don't know how this cube actually works, so I struggled to solve it. But because it twists a bit like how you twist a cube. But it's a bit weird. Let's just have it like that. I don't know how to actually do it. I'm trying to figure out how to solve it. Basically what I do is twist it intuitively. I haven't actually seen any I don't know any tutorials on the web, so I don't think there is any. Maybe I can be the first one to put one up. That's an idea. Well, I need to learn how to solve it. Anyway, that was just a quick notice at the start of the video. In today's actual video, wow, that's 2 minutes of your life wasted. I will be showing you, where's it gone? My 6x6. It definitely needs a bit of breaking in, like you can hear it, how it's kind of heavy on the middle layers. The outside ones are smooth. I'm still figuring it out because I've got most of the centre solved except for two, and I'm kind of just doing the normal 5x5 rotations till it works. So I've got no actual way of doing it. So if you guys know any ways, just comment down below in the comment section or descriptions. But at the moment, it looks like if I form the edges like this, hop, hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 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 2, 3, 4, hop. Okay, so basically the way I do the edges is I spin it in. See, I've made a line so far, but how would I do this? The way that I do the edges is not the best way, I think. Don't know what it is, but it's kind of I twist it until it makes a proper thing, and then just link the two things. Basically, I get two lines like that. The red and red and red and red, and I twist it around like a twisty puzzle, and I try to get them, you know, on the same face, but my luck's a bit low at the moment. so if I went like that, that works. I've just made a line thing, I think. Okay, I've still got the lines. Oh god, no! I broke the orange line. So if I just... Whee! Oh. He didn't die. The size of it, it's pretty nice. It's a... 1 second, let me go and measure it. Okay, so the 6x6 is roughly 70 millimeters. Yeah, I've also got my 3x3 because in the next video, which will be coming out soon, I'll be reviewing my Chi Thunderclap 3x3. I ordered all my cubes off the cubicle. Well, not all of them. My 6x6, my 3x3, and my weird cube. I'm gonna call it the weird cube. But yeah, so next video coming up soon. Right after I finished this video, so yeah, keep an eye out for that. As always, stay cubing.